G'day folks, Jim Langlands here from FX Charts with the currency outlook for the Finance News Network for Friday the 14th of September. Well, the markets liked what they saw today when Bernanke announced the QE3 programme, and the dollar has duly weakened against all the currencies, and they've been propelled higher. We've got the euro 129.85. That took out some barriers at 130, but it hasn't been able to follow through. Cable at 161.5. Dollar yen, that got pretty violent. It was at 77.50. It's pretty much unchanged really, but it got down to 77.15 and then spiked to 77.75 in the immediate aftermath of the announcement. And dollar Swiss is at 93.5. The Aussie, that had a pretty tough session yesterday after the Fortescue story, and then when Fitch downgraded Queensland. Got down to 104.30, but rallied strongly after that to 105.67. I think the high was. Currently at around just below 105.5. And likewise, the Kiwi that drove itself up to 83.22, and it's back trading just above 83, the figure at the moment. Today looks to me as though we're probably going to consolidate a little bit after the news as the market digests what Bernanke said. And in the short term, the charts are a little bit overbought, so I think the top side, further top side moves for the currencies at the moment might be somewhat limited. But the dailies do still point higher, so although I'm doubtful of any major move higher today, we could see the trend continue going into next week. Today, economic-wise, we've got CPI data out of both Europe and the US. And then later on, we've got the retail sales and the Reuters Michigan survey from the States as well. But much of the price action today, I think that's probably been built in. The quantitative easing program was pretty much expected. So we've had a good run up, which isn't to say that it's not going to go higher, but I don't think we're going to see that this week. Anyway, that's really about it. If you do want a more comprehensive outlook on the markets today, go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au, and please just remember that as usual any outlook mentioned here is a personal view only and not intended to be used as trading advice. So that's really all. Have a very good weekend, and we'll talk to you next week. Thanks very much. Cheers.